Welcome back to course number 8, Student Loans and Education Financing. In this lecture, we'll focus on strategies to minimize student loan debt. Borrowing less today means more financial freedom tomorrow, so it's important to understand practical ways to keep loan balances as low as possible. One of the most effective strategies is to borrow only what you truly need. It can be tempting to accept the full loan amount offered, but remember, loans must be repaid with interest. Calculate your actual expenses for tuition, books, and living costs, and avoid overborrowing for lifestyle expenses. Always prioritize federal loans before private loans. Federal loans typically have lower interest rates, fixed terms, and more flexible repayment options. They also come with protections like deferment, forbearance, and forgiveness programs that private loans usually don't offer. Scholarships and grants are free money for education that never have to be repaid. Dedicate time each semester to searching and applying for opportunities. Even small awards can add up and reduce the amount you need to borrow. Many scholarships are available for academic performance, community service, or even specific majors. Taking advantage of work-study programs or part-time jobs during school can help cover living expenses without adding to your debt. Even a modest income from campus jobs can offset the need for additional loans, while also giving you valuable work experience. Creating and sticking to a budget while in college is essential. By tracking spending and limiting unnecessary expenses, you can reduce how much money you need to borrow. Cooking at home, using student discounts, and managing subscriptions are simple ways to cut costs. If you have unsubsidized loans, interest starts accruing immediately. Making small payments on interest while in school prevents it from capitalizing and being added to your loan balance. Even paying $20–30 a month can save you hundreds or thousands over the life of your loan. Lifestyle choices matter. Avoid using loan money for vacations, luxury items, or off-campus apartments you can't afford. Living with roommates, using public transportation, or sticking to a student meal plan can all help minimize borrowing and set you up for less debt at graduation. Let's take the example of Maya, a student who receives federal loans for tuition but covers her living expenses with scholarships, part-time work, and budgeting. By paying interest on her unsubsidized loan during school, Maya graduates with significantly less debt than if she had borrowed the maximum amount. To summarize, minimizing loan debt comes down to smart choices. Borrow only what you need, seek out free money, budget wisely, and make small payments early. Every step you take now reduces the burden later, giving you more financial flexibility and peace of mind after graduation. This concludes our discussion about minimizing loan debt. In the next lesson, we will learn about the cost-benefit of borrowing for education. See you then.